stuff right here, all the stuff, moving the alternator, moving the fans, all this stuff just to access this guy to move on. So right guys, I'm going to work on a BMW. This is an X5, this is an M series, it's a twin turbo V8. So the process is going to be I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible so it helps somebody who does a valve cover gasket. Just get along. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a video how to do a valve cover for BMW. This is a 2014. It's an X5. It's a twin turbo. So guys, you're going to remove the basic cosmetic stuff like this valve inlet, this duct, air duct which goes to the car. This is broken, so practically you have to remove those out of your way, and you remove most of this stuff guys. I'm just going to show you just the pointers, and let me just tell you guys, this work is not for the faint of heart. You really need to do like a lot of work, and you need more you do need to put more hours into this. So basically guys, you have to remove the front, you remove the turbo intercooler, you remove the hoses in front here with coolant and stuff. Make sure you have something to catch up with it. You remove this front right here, and be careful guys, these things are brittle so they can break. You remove this power line going to the alternator. Just once you get it out of the way guys, there's no power on it, you can let it touch anyway. You remove this cables behind here. You unclip it from here. Once you unclip this guys, it should be able to be loose. And then you open this 30 torques from the sides, the two on this side, then two on the other side. The 30 torques guys, we're gonna be like right over here. So practical guys, you remove this oil inlet duct which lets oil into the engine. And then you just remove this 10mm E10. Get out of the way. So guys, what you see right here is I've just removed practically almost everything entirely, virtually on this car. So literally guys, you have to move out. So you have to move out guys, the plate with the cover which comes on top here, an air filter. You have to move that out of the way. You move the same to this side. You move the lining. You have to move that. You have to remove all the stuff which comes on top here guys. You have to get it out of the way. Then you have to put on the side. You have to take the vents that comes here. The same to this side. You have to remove these guys out of the way. This is the air. This is the oil. This is the oil. Sorry, there's a gas for the gas right here. Okay guys, you have to move this from the way, which is going to be on the side right there. So you just disconnect from here. So literally guys, this plate will remain. You just take. So guys, you move this. So you just take two balls. So you have to remove this this heat. You take out the oxygen sensors to give you access to there. So practically that's it. And then you move this cover. Take the cover up to access these 4 balls from the way. Once you do that guys, give you access to take out this stuff. Then you can take the 10mm around the 8mm around the thing all the way. So guys, basically you remove all this. There's a ball right here. There's just 2 bolts right here. There's 1 bolt here. There's a star which goes in here. Remove all the bolts from here. All this guy come out like this. I hope this tip helps somebody else. You remove this, and then you can remove all the small bolts just on the line all around. And then this guy should be able to come out. So you remove the 13mm and all of that. You remove the alternator. You remove this side. You remove the front cover, the front thing which holds here. You remove this fuel line. The fuel line goes down there. You remove all these connectors, and you remove this plate too, guys. This plate is all on these 4 guys. Remove this plate out. Once this plate comes out, the same to this side. Remove the plate. It comes out. It's a 10mm. That should come out for all that. Remove this guys. Remove this guy right here. It has is a 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and then the third one is the 10. No, this is not a 10. This is Tox 30. This is 10, and this is a 10 millimeter. That should bring this guy out. Now remove all the connections which are here, and then you remove all this connector. You do that for the one for this side, because this one is for this front side. You do that for the this other side too. Once you do that, also guys, this wiring harness thing, you disconnect from here. You remove this thing from here to give you access to be loose enough so that you can just let it just come in the middle here to give you the space to do the work from this side. You have to disconnect these two. You disconnect this guy right here. Now you can put it on the side. You disconnect the computer right there. You disconnect the power line, which comes from here. You disconnect it here. Then you disconnect from so guys, once you disconnect from there, it doesn't have any power. So even if it touches anywhere on the car, it doesn't have any active power. So that should do for now. And you just basically do the small stuff, guys. I'm just going to give you pointers on how to remove the valve cover. Then once that is done, guys, this guy should be able to come out. Same to this side. Alright guys, so this we have to remove these injectors first before we pull out the valve cover. So this is the only thing blocking the way. So guys, I'll advise you to get something like strong to hold it, and then you push it, you yank it out. You need some strength, guys, and then you can spray something lubricant inside to make it easy to come out. So guys, once you do that, once you've taken it out, so you remove the oil separator which is behind there. I'm gonna show you when the valve cover is out. So when the valve cover is out, guys, this is how it looks like. So bad boy is just right here. I pull it out here outside here. So guys, you see all these things looks like this. So guys, the most important things we're gonna do is just removing that the oil separator, guys, is just right behind here. It locks, guys, it locks to the camshaft, so you can't remove it unless you take it out fast. So let me just show you guys how it looks like. Okay, this is this right there is the oil separator thing which is behind there. So what happens is you have to remove the three balls. The three balls, that's an E10. They are going to be like behind there. It's going to like lock the thing right there into it locks it up into the camshaft, and that's what it's going to be holding it from behind. So to get the whole valve cover out, you need to just get that guy out, and then it just comes out completely, so you don't need to worry about anything else. Once you want to pull out the cover, guys, you can use that holding thing there to just yank it up, just to help you out, like get the valve cover gasket out. So guys, another important thing which you have to put in mind when you're moving this out is guys, the behind the valve cover cover, guys, there are two balls. I think I showed you on the previous part, and then there's this thing on the side which is protects the heat. It's kind of like a shield. You have to take it out, guys, so that helps you like clean this place well. You have to remove this power steering rack from here to access some bolts. There are two. The one that is out, guys, the valve cover should be able to come out with ease, and then you can pay attention to that. Okay, this, guys, is the thing which I was saying. You have to remove it out, the heat cover with the shield, so that helps you out like clean it out when you want like to put back the valve cover, which is already now with the new seal. So to give you enough space, you just move this cover out. It will really help you guys, like give you enough space and make it easy for you to pull these things out. So guys, I pulled out the valve cover. You see all our seals are all flat, so it just allows oil to just go through it. So guys, I hope this video really helps you out as you fix your valve cover gasket.